So I'm your Oracle Golengate trainer. I have 5 years of real-time experience as an Oracle DBA. I've done many implementations and give support also for Oracle databases and have implemented Oracle RAG Data Guard also on AIX and the Linux platforms. And I give trainings also in DBA, RAG, Golengate, ASM Data Guard, Enterprise Manager. Okay, and so here we are to have a 8 days training in Oracle Golengate, which is actually booming lot for replication. As a replication technology, Oracle Golengate, people many companies are using in much, Golengate is in much demand right now. Okay, so people who are doing DBA and RAG, for them it has become mandatory to do Golengate also. Okay, so employees, they are expecting the employees they are hiring to have a knowledge on Golengate also. Okay, and it's a good course, and it is about in 8 days you can learn the basics and advanced part also, how to master this Golengate. It's a very nice course, and it is well designed also here in kernel. You can learn totally, you may have heard why we are going for Golengate actually. When we have streams in Oracle, right? Because you should have knowledge in what is streams actually. People who are attending for Golengate here should have knowledge in Oracle DBA. Okay, the prerequisite is you should attend first Oracle database. Okay, knowledge in database, then only you can go for Golengate. Okay, so Oracle already had a replication technology called Oracle Streams with them. Okay, but they acquired Oracle Golengate. It was another company actually. Golengate was another company which Oracle acquired in 2009. Yes, in 2009 they acquired Golengate, and now Golengate has become as Oracle Golengate. Okay, so why we require why Golengate is increasing much, why it is having much demand right now in the market? Okay, because streams, Oracle, even though Oracle has the streams, now Oracle has stopped any further advancement in streams technology. Whatever you have in streams, that's all. No further improvement will be made in streams. Oracle have announced, and whatever the advancement or whatever the improvements it wants to make in replication, it will do only in Golengate. Okay, so that's why people are moving towards Golengate. One thing. Next thing is, using streams, you can do only Oracle to Oracle replication. Okay, from Oracle to non-Oracle databases like your DB2 database, SQL Server, MySQL. If you want to do from Oracle to any non-Oracle databases, it was possible in streams. Okay, but it has lot of lot of preparation it required. You need to take the help of third-party vendors there. Okay, if you want to do from Oracle to non-Oracle. Okay, or Oracle to Oracle, it is fine, but Oracle to non-Oracle, it was taking a lot of hard work, a lot of preparation was required in streams. But in Golengate, it is much easier to do from Oracle to non-Oracle. Okay, so that key feature is called as your heterogeneous replication. Okay, so Golengate actually allows you to do heterogeneous replication from Oracle to non-Oracle databases, any non-Oracle database. Okay, so that's why we employees they are just mentioning in the JDs that they require DBA plus RAG plus Golengate also to have a complete, like a complete DBA. You become a complete DBA by learning Golengate also. Okay, so today we'll feel like an introduction into Golengate. What are the Golengate parts? What are its advantages? Okay. So first thing is, what is Oracle Golengate actually? It's a strategic solution for real-time data integration. What do you mean by real-time data? Okay, I'm transferring the data suppose I'm having my production database and a standard database, or you can call it as a source and target database. This is my source DB and my target DB. So whatever you're doing on your source tables, okay, immediately within a few seconds the data is transferred to your target database. Okay, so whenever, suppose if your source goes down, any problem on your source side, okay, you can make your target as your source, which means everything, any change that you have made on your source is available on your target side. Okay, and from where your target is receiving the data, it is receiving the data from your redo logs, online redo logs that are present on your target side. And Golengate takes only the committed transactions. It takes only the committed transactions from your source side and transfer it to your target side. So from online redo logs, committed transactions are captured and they are delivered to your target. Okay, so very fast, like you will be just feeling that whatever you are doing on your source, everything will be available on your target. Okay, so that's why it is called as your real-time data integration, okay, data replication. So what are the different scenarios where you can use your Golengate? Okay, different scenarios where you can use your Golengate is like you can use your Golengate, okay, as your to make your standby databases. Okay, might be you have learned about the data guard. What data guard does, it also has one production database and one standby database. So all your redo logs from your production are transferred to your standby, right? Same way, here also, Golengate also, all your redo logs, all your transactions are taken from your source and given to your target. So it can work as your active standby database. Okay, so people like you might get a doubt, like if when we had Oracle Data Guard already, then why we need to go for Golengate for creating a standby, right? I have a data guard set up already in my company, then why I need to again go and set up a Golengate for creating a standby there? The advantage here is for your Golengate, you can do replication at your table level also. Okay, so your table level replication also will be done from your source to your standby. Table level replication, column level replication also you can do that. Okay, no need of setting up a huge total database standby. You can just do a table level or column level replication there. But in data guard, you need to first replicate or clone or set up a total database replication, clone your total database, and then do whatever you want, right? But there is a slight disadvantage in your Golengate also regarding your standby, that in your normal data guard, you have an option called fast start failover, right? An automatic failover you have. Like whenever your production goes down, automatically your standby becomes as your production database in your normal data guard. But in here in Golengate, you don't have that option of fast start failover or automatic failover here. You need to go and manually make your standby as your production in Golengate. Okay, but advantages are more compared to only one disadvantage. The advantages are faster movement of your redo logs or transactions from your redos will be given to your standby databases then compared to your data guard. Compared to your data guard, faster movement of redo logs or transactions from your source to database will be done in your Golengate. There you have in data guard, you have lot of like people who have worked also they might be knowing this scenario that archilog gaps always in every 2 days you will be getting this kind of problem in data guard, that archilog gaps will be archilog gap detection. Okay, so it takes lot of time, lot of network issues will be coming in data guard. But here in Golengate, very faster movement of data from source to target. Okay, and here in Golengate, one more thing, how you are transferring your data from your source to target. Are you using any network files there? How do you transfer in databases in Oracle Data Guard or in Oracle database, normal Oracle standby standalone database? We use network files there from your source to target. If I want to transfer any data, okay, I use network files. We use network files. What network files? We use a listener file and a TNS alias file, right? But here we don't, in Golengate, we don't use any network files here. Then how we transfer the data packets here? We transfer only through your TCP IP. We use here TCP IP protocol. TCP IP transferring by using simple port numbers. Okay, so your data packets from your source to target are transferred by using some port number. So like on this port number only your data will be transferred. So you need to specify that port number when you are installing your Golengate, or like after installation of your Golengate software also, there will be one file where you have to mention this port number. So on this port number only, whatever the data is there, the data will be transferred from your source to target. Right? Architecture is also a little bit different in Golengate. You don't have background processes here. Okay, in Oracle, normal Oracle, if you see, you have lot of background processes which will be working. Okay, instead of background processes, you have many files here which you need to edit, at your OS level. Okay, because here Golengate is slightly little bit different here in architecture, and when you just configure your Golengate, when you write some data into the files and how data is transferred and all, because it was designed by the Golengate company. So when Oracle acquired Golengate, they have just bought Golengate, that's all. They didn't do any changes in this Golengate replication there. They have not made any changes. So it is slightly different. It is slightly different to what Oracle actually had. Oracle always have this background process, many files, processes will be running. So all these things you will not see here in your Golengate. Okay. So one solution, first solution here is you can make your Oracle Golengate to have a standby database, active standby database, that too, which is a 11G feature. new feature. Okay, then you can do your use your Golengate to have upgrade and migrations also. Okay, migrations from your 9i to 10g or 10g to 11g. Okay, migrating from one platform to another platform. Zero downtime upgrades, that to zero downtime. You can imagine, people have done upgrades, they can imagine how much of time it takes just to upgrade your database. Okay, lot of time, lot of downtime you require. Okay, but if you use your Golengate, okay, you can see zero downtime. This actually is a highlighter here. Zero downtime, which many companies they can just pay billions to have this in their databases, like zero downtime, because nobody wants to have the downtime. They want their databases to be available 24/7. Like even if you are doing upgrades, migrations, any maintenance thing, they want their databases to be up. A little bit downtime they can manage, okay, but higher downtime they can't afford. Okay, so but here when you are doing your upgrades and migrations, they are saying you have zero downtime by using Golengate. Okay, second solution. And if you go for third, you have live reporting. Okay, you can use your Golengate target database as a reporting database. See, like whenever you are doing your whenever you are working on a production database, okay, lot of users will be hitting the database, lot of processing is going on in your production database. So if you create reports also on your production database, it decreases the performance of your production database. Okay, so better you shift your reporting to your target database. Okay, so live reporting we are saying because in Golengate, whatever you are doing on your source, within few seconds it is transferred to your target. So it is like whenever you are creating a report, okay, it will be like you are creating the report on your production database, live reporting. Okay, so you can use it as a reporting database. Okay, and next is your like advantage. These next two are for your data warehousing. If you go for your data warehousing, like in your data warehouse, a lot of bulk transactions. You have bulk transactions which need to be transferred or uploaded, okay, to your target site. ETL, okay, extracting the load, transforming the load on your extracting the load from your server, from your source, and transforming and loading into your target. Okay, so these two on your data warehouse machines, ETL machines. Okay, so these are the advantages or solutions which Golengate offers, and it is a log-based technology. Okay, you are using your redo logs to capture the data and send it to your standby database. Okay, so what are the advantages? Same thing what we have seen just now, like real time. Okay, it moves with the sub-second latency. Why I'm saying, what do you mean by latency here? Latency means the amount of time it takes to transfer the data from source to target. How much time it takes? Okay, it takes in your seconds. Okay, in seconds your data is transferred from your source to target. That's why it is called as real time. And next is your heterogeneous, moves chain data across different platforms and databases. Transactional, okay, whatever data you are transferring, okay, it is data integrity is offered there, which means you will not lose your data and your data is secure. Whenever you are transferring your data, the data is encrypted and it is transferred to your target, and then it is decrypted. It is done automatically. Encrypted, transferred, and then decrypted. Okay, performance increases, high reliability. Okay, you have less failures here. Reliable databases will be having here. Next is what are the topologies that are supported by Golengate. Okay. Might be till now whatever I was discussing, that was like uni-directional. Whatever you are doing, I'm saying whatever you are doing on your target, okay, that will be replicated on, sorry, whatever you are doing on your source, okay, that will be replicated on your target side. Uni-directional, one side. Okay, you can have your bi-directional also, like whatever you are doing on your source replicated on your target, then whatever you are doing on your target, that also will be replicated on your source. Okay, bi-directional. So we'll see your unidirectional replication and bi-directional replication also in practical. We'll show you practically how to do your bi-directional replication also. But bi-directional actually have you'll get lot of conflicts. Lot of conflicts will be occurring in bi-directional replication, but we'll resolve them. Conflict resolving will be done. What are the things you need to do and all, will show practically how to configure your bi-directional replication, which is actually a good one to have whenever there is a failure. You can go back to your source. Whenever source fails, go back to your target. Whenever target fails, go back to your source. Okay. Then you are having a peer-to-peer topology also, which means like 2 or 3 machines will be working, okay, where you will be transferring the data, and they all are bi-directional. Okay, and like peer-to-peer, this topology is mostly used for load balancing. What kind of load balancing? Suppose if one machine, one database is having a lot of load, lot of users are hitting that. Okay, it can just offload. It can just offload the users to different machine. So that what happens, the performance to the users also will be not impacted. Okay, and the users will be feeling that they are connected to the same database, but actually they will be transferred to other databases, and they will be performance wise, they will be getting, you can just bring that performance increases and load back to done here in peer-to-peer topologies. Okay. Different topologies you are having, like next is your broadcast, which means from one database transfer the data to your multiple targets, one source to multiple targets. Consolidation, like from multiple targets to one source. An example of this multiple source to one target is like stores. You can just imagine Walmart have many stores around the world. Across the globe they have many stores. Okay, from many stores, whatever they are doing, like every day whatever sale they have made, so all the account details from different sources, they will be like one central target. They will send the report to one target that every store will be sending that today we have made this much of sale, and this is the profit, and this is the money we have got, and all bills and all they'll be sending there. Okay, so that way also you can use Golengate there. Okay, and cascading topology, where you can have another database, and you can call it as a middle tier, okay, database, intermediate database between your source and target databases. What you can do, you can use for your query offloading, redo offloading. You will hear this term many a times, that the redo offloading, which means whatever the data you are capturing from your redo logs and your source, okay, that data you can just send it to your intermediate database, and then the data will be given to your targets. Why we are using this intermediate database? Might be your source is having huge number of users, many users are hitting your database, and many redos, many transactions are generating, which your multiple targets are unable to capture, unable to take. So we'll just offload, we'll just load that queries onto your intermediate database, and slowly we can just transfer that to your multiple targets. Whichever the target is free, it will be transferred. Okay, so these are the different kinds of topologies. What we will be doing in a practical is we'll show you how to do a unidirectional Golengate replication and a bi-directional Golengate replication, which are higher in demand right now. Okay. Different solutions what you have for your Golengate. It is continuous available, zero downtime upgrades, query offloading. Okay, synchronizes your data. Data synchronization is done very fastly. Whatever your data you have on your source will be available on your target. Okay. Data synchronization is faster here. Okay. So next thing is, like, we'll have an overview on your technology, like what are the blocks, what are the components you are having in your Golengate. Okay, so first thing is your extract. Okay, extract is again a component. You will be having a file for your extract here at your OS level. A file will be present from your source in extract. What does extract do? Committed transactions are captured, and as they occur by deleting the transaction logs. So whatever the committed transactions are you have on your redo logs, they'll be captured by using this extract process. Okay, so where you will be defining or creating your extract file there at your OS level. At your OS level, you need to write down and extract a file there. So how to generate an extract file or extract process, we'll see later for installation of your Golengate. Next thing is your trail file. You'll have a trail file. What your trail file does, whatever the data you have extracted, captured, whatever the data that your extract process has captured, that will be kept in your trail file. Okay, from trail file, that data will be taken to your target. Okay, directly if you want, you can take the data from your trail file to your target, or you will be having a pump process also in middle. Okay, it's a data pump process where this Golengate distributes data for routing to target. Whatever the data it is receiving from the extract process, this data pump process will be capturing the data and keeping, and then it will transfer it to the target. It is optional here again. Using your data pump process is optional. If you want, you can use, or else directly data will be transferred from your trail to target database. Routing, how your data is routed from your source to target. Data is compressed and encrypted for routing to targets by using your TCP IP network. Or LAN, WAN, if it is in a smaller, from one machine to another machine, LAN. Okay. So you can use this network. No network files will be available here, routing the data from your source to target. You can just see here it is saying compressed and encrypted data. So we no need to do any compression, no need to apply any compression algorithms here. Whatever the data you are transferring from your source to target, automatically they will be compressed and encrypted. And later on when it goes to your target, they will be decrypted. Okay, on your target side we have a file again called Replicat file. Okay, on your source it is called as extract, and then you'll be having a trail file, extract file, trail file, and then on your target side you have a Replicat. Replicat applies data. Whatever the data it has got from your source, that data will be present in your Replicat file, and from Replicat that data will be applied to your target database. So on your Replicat side also you'll be having some trail files. So these trail files that are present on your source, they are called as source trails, and on your target they are called as your target trails. Okay, so this is an overview of how Golengate is working, but internally when you go into the architecture of Golengate, you still have lot more files hidden. You'll be having some collector file, how much of trail file, how many trail files will be generated, what will be the size of your trail file, what is the size of your extract file, how to write an extract file. All these things we'll discuss in your architecture class. Okay, so this is just an overview that how your Golengate is working. It is first thing, an extract process, okay, will be capturing the data, and it stores the data in a trail file. From trail file of source across the network, it will be given to your target trail file. From target trail file, it will be taken to your Replicat file. Then the Replicat file or process will be applying the data to your target site. Okay, so this is actually the flow of replication in Golengate. So what are the supported databases? So does Golengate works on all databases, or any supported databases you have? Like 90% of the databases it supports. You can just see here a list, like it supports Oracle. Anyway, Oracle Goldengate, so it has to support Oracle. Then you have MySQL, DB2, SQL Server, Sybase, Teradata. Okay, lot of in other SQL databases also you have, and that are on your capture side, which means on your source side you can have these machines, and on your target side, on your delivery side, all the listed databases, and two more databases you can have, that is timestamp database, and you can just offload your captured data to your flat files also. On your target side, you can do it on your flat files or also on your target side. So what are the operating systems it supports? We have seen the operating databases, what databases it supports. Okay, and here we'll see what are the operating system it supports. It supports in Linux, Windows, Solaris it works, and IBM series, all your IBM ASE machines and all. Okay, so what OS it is missing here, which is running right now, but it is missing here in the list, Ubuntu. You might have heard like Ubuntu, it's a running OS right now. Okay, but it is missing here because it is Oracle Golengate is not supported right now in Ubuntu. They are working on it. Might be you might get very soon that Golengate you can implement to have a heterogeneous replication on Ubuntu also. But right now we can do it on Linux, Windows, and all the listed operating systems. Okay. So what we do here in your course, we'll be doing uni-directional replication and Golengate installation on your Linux machines. Okay, from Linux to Linux we'll do. Okay, and then we'll do heterogeneous replication also. In a heterogeneous replication, we'll show you how to do replication from Oracle to MySQL. So by doing this Golengate course, what advantage you are getting here is you can learn some basic steps, or an overview of MySQL also, which is also must demand right now. Right now in the market, MySQL is also having much demand because MySQL doesn't have a licensing and all, and people like many companies are using MySQL for storing their databases. It has its own advantages. Okay, so we'll show you how to do heterogeneous replication from Oracle to MySQL database. Live practical I'll be showing you. So installing Oracle on one machine and MySQL on another machine, and then doing the replication. Okay, so these are some of the advantages of using your Oracle Golengate. I just want to go into have a brief history of Oracle Golengate. What people used to use before Golengate, like how you had what were the things you had in earlier to your Golengate, how replication was carried out. Very earlier, in earlier cases, we used to use your FTP protocol, file transfer protocol, transferring your total files from your source to your target. Okay, very older method. Then you had your DB links. Yeah, you might remember, like in your normal standalone databases, you'll be using DB links. Database links to transfer your data from your source to target. Okay, then came your streams, Oracle streams from your 9i. You got streams from 9i databases from version 9. Okay. But streams had disadvantages, like it can't do for heterogeneous, it was slower, and configuring streams was also much difficult. Like you need to create an upstream database, and downstreaming, doing replication in streams was little bit difficult. Okay, so that's why Oracle have acquired Golengate, and Golengate you got it from your 11G onwards. But does your Golengate support legacy databases, like older databases? Yes, you can do. You can have your you can install Golengate on your 9i and 10G databases also. Even though Golengate you have started its version from your 11G, you can do. You can install, because you have Golengate Oracle Golengate 11G only. You don't find Oracle Golengate 10G or 9i. You have Oracle Golengate 11G release 1 and 11G release 2. Two versions you have to get. Because Oracle have acquired Golengate in 2009 and 11G got released in 2007. So they have just integrated Golengate with Oracle 11G R2. Release 2, release 1 and release 2, both. Release 1 and 2, both. Okay, but you can use for your 10G and the 9i databases also. So how you are doing, going to do your practicals and all, what we do, we can help you to install in your laptops, in your machines. Okay, we'll show you how to do it from your scratch, installing the virtual box first, then what do you say, installing your OS, Linux, then installing your Oracle databases, and above your Oracle databases we will install Oracle Golengate. Okay, so we'll show you how to download the software and all. Okay, or you can utilize our servers also. Okay, we'll be giving you VPN access from wherever you are. We'll give you VPN. Through VPN you can just connect to our servers and practice. Okay, and I just want to show you like what are the contents we are going to cover in this whole course. So we'll give you like an insight. Like today we have seen an introduction class of Golengate. So it was actually a first class. So we have seen how Golengate has evolved, and what are the advantages and what solutions it is providing you. Then we'll see a lot more Golengate, different Golengate products also you have in the market. Whatever the course you are learning, that is your core Golengate. Okay. You have many other products in Golengate also. We'll discuss in your next class. Okay, then we'll see your Golengate architecture. Then we'll see how to install your Golengate on your machines, or like from scratch how to install it, and then what are the different processes you are having, how to configuring your change cap, how to capture, how to deliver the data, what are the different trail files you are having, what are the sizes of trail file you can use, how to apply the load, different Golengate parameters you are having. Okay, filtering your data, whatever the data you have on your source need not be, you need to, it is not mandatory that same data should be available on your target. What you can do, you can filter your data and send it to your target. Okay, filtering data, very good advantage in Golengate. Then we'll see your bi-directional replication and DDL replications also. Not only changed data, not only DMLs, what you do on your source, you can have your DDLs also. Okay, DDL, whatever the, if you are altering a table, creating a table, all your DDL replication, but you need to just modify your files, and you can see your DDL replications also on your source side. And many a times if you see a JD, you will be finding that heterogeneous replication. You should know, you should have at least, you should know at least the steps or the process, how to do your heterogeneous replication. Okay, so we will show you how to do it from Oracle to MySQL. Many of the courses might be you can go and learn Oracle Golengate anywhere. Okay, but people will be just not showing you how to do heterogeneous replication there. Okay, because the thing is you need to have a knowledge on MySQL also there. Okay, but what we do here is we give you some knowledge on MySQL, and we'll show you how to do it on from Oracle to doing heterogeneous replication live. Practically, you can just practice which is like if you learn a Golengate, if you learn Golengate and you say I have learned Golengate, you should actually know how to do it heterogeneous replication. So if you do it to one or two from Oracle to MySQL, the steps will be similar to Oracle to SQL Server or Oracle to DB2 or Oracle to any Teradata machine, anything. So if you know the procedure, you can do it to any other requiring right now. Golengate advantages is heterogeneous replication. So if you don't learn that, then it is like waste of learning your Golengate total Golengate course. So that is like a highlighter here, like we will be showing you total heterogeneous replication. And bi-directional also is very complicated thing there. Lot of conflicts will be arising in bi-directional replication. So that also will show you how to resolve, if any issue comes, how to resolve them. And we'll see if you are having any errors or anything in your Golengate, where to see, where to check the error logs, where log files will be present in your Golengate and all. So that all things you can architecture class. So any doubt? So this was like an introduction class here today. Like your first class introducing Golengate, advantages, solutions, and some blocks. We have seen 4 blocks here that are extract, Replicat, trail files, and data pump. Okay, so in next class we'll see in detail what are these processes, what are the files you are having. In detail we'll see. It was just an overview today. Like next class we'll see in detail how to generate an extract file, how to generate a trail file. Okay. So any doubt, anybody regarding anything? Hello? Yeah, hello Chandra. Okay. So I am unmuting you. Anybody, any doubt you can raise?
Hi, my name is Krishna.
Okay.
Actually, I'm having a concern, not concern, actually, I would like to know whether are we going to discuss MySQL database and with the Oracle database using this Golengate? Are we only going to discuss on MySQL and Oracle?
See, MySQL and Oracle, I'll show you live practically. SQL Server, whatever the nodes you are giving, you have on your SQL Server to Oracle also. So the steps are similar. We'll give you whatever the nodes we are providing you, and you are having the steps there.
Okay, because MySQL. Yeah. Sorry, please continue. Sorry to interrupt you.
No. You can just continue. Yeah, tell me.
Okay. The thing is actually MySQL nowadays is on Unix. So even Golengate will be on Unix. So probably it will be very easy to integrate. See, the problem is MySQL completely will be on Windows Server, and this will be on Unix. So that part would be a bit complicated compared to MySQL and Oracle integration.
Yeah. But heterogeneous replication, whatever we are showing you, like doing from one database to another database is only a critical part. If I do it on different platforms also, again, you can just imagine the complexity it arises, because platform level integration you should have there, Linux to Windows, then different databases, right? So steps are given to you in your book. Like first, we just want you to have a good overview and good knowledge on how to do the heterogeneous replication first. Then later on, whatever the higher level, you can go for platform level, you can go for database level. You can just see, because the steps are similar.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Any doubt, anybody?
Ma'am, this is Srinivas.
Yeah. Hi,
So the timings and all, how it is, and how many days this course and the timing?
Course is 8 days course, and timings will be from 12 o'clock.
Okay. So
12
daily is 1 hour or 2 hours?
Daily 1 to 1.5 hours. I can't say 2 hours, because like the people, like they'll be having a thing like you whatever you say, but you should complete. You have to do in 2 hours. Total 2 hours you have to take. No, for me, it will be like whatever I'm teaching, I'll give you good content and good understanding in 1.5 hours. Also, we can just complete. So it will be like 1.5 to 2 hours. Okay.
Yeah, when it is going taught?
Actually, today is your first class.
Oh, first class, okay.
Yeah, today is your first class. Whatever you have seen, it's a first class thing, but some newcomers have come, so I have just given again an introduction and all today.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. So if anybody is having any restrictions on this timing and all, you can discuss with Chandra. Mr. Chandra, he will help you out. Like if any working people, they are just feeling like 12 is an odd time or something. Okay, we can discuss and have any different timing. Okay, so we'll discuss with all the members. Like it's not like only for one person or two persons. Like if all are having a concern, and we'll discuss everybody, and like if anybody is having any problem with the timings, they can raise their hands, and it's fine to have these timings. Okay, it's fine. Then you can just concern with your Chandra regarding your timings and all. So any doubt in your course or anything, any topic, what you want to understand?
Madam, can I talk to them now? Hello.
I'm speaking to them.
So guys,
Yeah, hello.
don't worry about the timings. We will be clubbing all the people in a particular time, and we thought like 12 o'clock is the right time for the people to join the class. And if people are not able to join the class at 10 o'clock,